This is my brother's neighbor Jeff's car. It's one of only a couple vehicles have been. I have an enclosed, and we have an enclosed car trailer at the stored at the cottage up north right now, but this has got a V10 Viper in it. But this is only one of the few cars that have been in the enclosed car trailer, and it's for sale. It's a 73, and it's rotisserie restored, and like I say, it has a V10 in it, Viper engine. And I'm going to get you some undercarriage video. Yeah, this thing's sweet, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, let me, he's going to see if he can get Jeff. We're going to get some interior and an engine shot.
It is, it's scratched.
Oh, it is? No shit.
God, every time I open it.
You can probably polish that with some...
Nope.
You tried it? Because I polished glass. How the hell do we polish the glass?
Once glass is scratched, it's done.
We polished it. In that shop, I'll have to get a hold of Ed. We cleaned up some glass. In fact, I did it. The windshield of that fucking Hemi.
Light scratches are one thing, but if it's got a gouge,
well, like, yeah, you're right.
What a sweet car.
Like that?
Yeah.
We'll get the passenger side too. Wait, let's see if we can see the camera in the muffler. Or the exhaust pipe.
What's that? You got a brush? Starting something up? The battery and what have you is behind here. He'll have him open it for you.
Battery switch.
Yep, jump.
This thing is amazing.
You're back again.
What's that? Shit. Do you need any towels to dry your car or anything?
That's the thing, that's when you get to a certain point.
No, you can't.
Waxing the undercarriage. Yeah.
Now, Jeff did. Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
You did the coating, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, that regular off, it was kind of off. And you could push and hold them all day with it. Shit. I don't know what year they did this with this thing, unless it's the package that comes with it, because it's got the loud exhaust. Seats or heated wheel or any of that shit, you don't need it. And it's got a fucked up GPS, really pisses me off. It's lost, it's totally lost. It doesn't get better anymore. I'm afraid to take it to the dealer and talk to fucking
Those got to be 3-inch pipes. They're huge.
But yeah, it's got a lot of